Can't log in to ChatGPT using Google or Microsoft? Don't worry, this video will show you quick and easy fixes to solve it. First, click on the settings icon in your browser. Now click on Cookies and Site Data. Next, click on Manage On-Device Site Data. Here, find ChatGPT and delete all ChatGPT cookies. After deleting, try to log in again. Next solution, use Incognito Mode. Now click on the three-dot menu of your browser. Click on New Incognito window. In this private window, open ChatGPT again. Now try to log in here. In many cases, this works. Next solution, use a VPN. Open your browser and search for Urban VPN. Open the official Urban VPN website. Now download the VPN extension that matches your browser. Install the VPN Setup file. After installation, click on Finish. Click on Continue Free. Now connect the VPN. Once connected, open ChatGPT again and try to log in. That's it. If one of these solutions helped you log in, the issue is solved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.